Okay, let's start. So this is the number one question on Lit Code Tucson. So let's see if I can solve this question. So I've solved this before, maybe way back, but let's see if I can still try. So given an array of integers, nums, and integer targets, you are given an array of integers and an integer target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input have exactly one solution. That means each input, for every input we are given, there is an exactly one solution. So there is always a solution for the input we are given. And you may not use the same element twice. When the mean element, the mean this guy that are in the array, the element in the array. So you can return the answer in any order. So you can return 0, 1, 1, and 0. So let's take for example. So this is, I don't want to explain because I'm not even solving for anybody. I'm solving for myself. So let's get into this. So how will I solve this? How will I tackle this? So let me say I'm going to use, this is Tucson, so I'm going to use hash map object. So let's say scene, I'm calling it scene because I'm saying if I've seen you before, you reside inside this object. So let's look through the nums. So let's say const element in nums of nums because we're dealing with arrays, nums, and we are return indices. That means the index of this element. So we are not just returning the element, we are returning the index of the element. So an array of does not have index, it only returns element. So we can do something like index of so to give us the index, but at the same time it's going to cost us more. So let me put this in an array and say of entries. Is it entry or entries? Entries. Let me use entries. If it doesn't work, I should get back to entry. Let me console log this guys first. So it returns the index first, followed by the element. So let me console log this, run the code, and see my output. So let's see, const for each of, so it's saying there's nothing like entry, so let's use this entries to entry nums. Oh, for const index of, what's it complaining about? Function return blah blah. I don't know. Hey, I'm already cooking beans. Is entries or entries, 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 or what am I spelling? Oh, sorry, entries, not entries. My typo. You see, I'm already cooking beans. Farmer writing code. So 0, 1, 7, 2, 5, blah blah blah. So index, and so I think we're good. So for the entry, I'm going to my reminder of target. I'm going to say target minus element. So which means we are doing something like this. That means it's going to be looks like say equals to 7. So this is what we are doing here. So I'm trying to say is, okay, you should find the reminder. So I will look for the reminder inside the scene object. So I will say if reminder in scene, if I've seen you before, that means if I've seen you inside this thing before, you should return it should return scene. Why am I using reminder, comma, index? If I've not seen you before, please put yourself in the object for me. So it's going to be element equals index. So with this, I think we are done with Tucson. So let's run this code again. If reminder, this reminder is saying, what's the code? Reminder is not defined. Hey, you are cooking beans. Reminder. Oh, you are not spelling reminder very well. So now our code is solved. So let me remove this console log. So let me run this code again and see. This code is running, Joe. Oh yeah. So you see, I've solved it before, long time ago. Hey, 118 milliseconds faster. Oh, great, cool. So this is it. I think we solved it. See you next time. Bye bye.